This is exactly why you're not able to understand or learn the American accent as an Indian. If you're someone who's trying to learn the American accent so that you can communicate better with your American clients, or you just want to understand American films or series without subtitles, or you just want to learn this accent as a hobby, I promise you'll find this video useful if you watch this video till the end. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert in this subject. I just learned it from English songs, YouTube videos, and podcasts. And I do fall off the accent sometimes because I'm not using it constantly. I had made a video on my journey of learning the American accent, and I could see that people found this video useful, and especially this one person reached out to me and told me that he found the video actually useful and he got the inspiration to learn it because he wanted to deal with American clients. So thank you, bro, for reaching out to me, and this video is from your inspiration and feedback. And I just wanted to tell you that these kind of videos take a lot of time and effort to create, and this channel is not monetized, so I would be really grateful if you could hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So the number one reason why we Indians find it difficult to understand or learn the American accent is because most of the Indian languages are so strong and defined. That is, each of the sounds in these languages are very defined. Like, you'll see that each of the sounds are so precise. Like, even the consonants and vowels are very precise and very cut. It has specified boundaries. So we say each of the sounds very strongly out loud. For example, let's say I say this in Hindi, मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ रही हूँ. You can see that the vibrations are kind of coming from inside, like from the chest region. But when you speak in the American accent, it's like coming from this part of the throat. So if I were to say the same Hindi sentence with the American accent, it would sound like this. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ रही हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ रही हूँ. Yes, it sounds awkward, but that's how the difference is. Like, if Americans try to say Hindi, that's how it will sound, because the sounds are completely different. And excuse me for my Hindi, because my native language is not Hindi, so I might sound different when I speak Hindi, but just for the demonstration. Now, there will be some people who'll be like, why learn American accent when we can speak normally in the Indian accent? What's wrong with Indian accent? The answer is no props. We are okay with the Indian accent. There's no problem with it. There's nothing wrong with the Indian accent. The only thing you have to be careful is that you don't bring in the MTI, that is the mother tongue influence. You definitely have heard all the professionals speak in the standard Indian accent or standard English, who are speaking in a way it's not American nor British. It's an Indian accent, but it's standardized. It doesn't have the mother tongue influence. The standardized and professional Indian accent that we are referring to here is very much clear and accepted by most people. Main use of English as a language is to communicate. If you're able to convey what you're trying to say, and if the other person is able to understand it, that's all what you needed. It's not necessary that you have to sound like an American or a British or like an Aussie. What you need is a clean, standardized language which can be understood by anyone around the world. But the only thing that you have to avoid is MTI, which means mother tongue influence. So each of us have our own mother tongue, and definitely it will influence how you speak English. You just have to be careful that you're not trying to bring in your native language accent into English while speaking English. Just ask yourself, which of these audios do you find impressive?
I know you find this video useful, so do like this video and subscribe to my channel. I know you found this video useful, so do like and subscribe to my channel. I know you found this video useful, so do like and subscribe to my channel.
So it's up to you to decide on which accent you want to put on. Now let's look at some of the sounds that are different in the American accent. The first one is the R sound. So what makes the American accent so unique is because of the R sound. It's R. R. That R sound comes from the back of your neck. It's not like R. You're not rolling the tongue. Like in most Indian languages, we roll the tongue. For example, water. See, you're rolling the tongue. You don't have to do that. It's water. Water. I would suggest you to practice these words here. Red river. Red river. Red river. When you say the red, you have to hit the D sound, but it's not so defined, but there's a small subtle D sound. Red river. Try practicing this a number of times and you will get used to the R sound. If you're still watching this video, it means that you're finding this video useful, and so please give it a like and do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be making videos on things that I've learned the hard way so that you don't have to. Now the second thing is the plosives. Even when you say plosives, you can see that the P sound has that p sound. That definition to it is as if you're beatboxing. See? Plosives, plosives, plosives. Kind of sound, plosive sound comes for B, D, K, P, T. You can see each of these sounds starts with this p kind of sound, as if you're beatboxing. So I'll show you some of the words so we can practice this sound, plosive sounds. Bab, pep, pip, pop, pub. Even the starting and the ending, you're just giving that plosive sound. Now for the D sounds, practice these words. Dad, dead, did, dot, dud. See, that sound is there. Now for the K sound, try these words. Cack, keck, kick, cock, cuck. And also whenever you see words where some other letter sounds like a K, even there you use this plosive K sound. K, k. For example, quick, k, quick. Similarly for the P sound, try these. Pap, pep, pip, pop, pop. As if in path, path. P, p. You see the sound? So for the T sound, try these. Tad, ted, tit, tot, tut, t, t, t sound. For example, in cat, t, cat, that. The next sound you should focus on is the SH sound. Whenever you see SH together, you give a sharp sh sound. Sh, as in sharp, see? Sharp, sharp. Try practicing these words. Should, shower, sheep, sharp, sheet. The next sound you should learn is the CH sound. As in words, church. Try these words. Church, chip, cheese, chest, child. You're always free to replay this video and practice it for yourself. Now another sound that I struggle with is this A sound. In British English it's like it's ask, but in American English it's ask. See, A sound, A-W, how do you say it? I don't know how to write it, but it's A, ask, master. It's not ma, it's ma, master. Just see the difference. Normally we say last, master, class. So Americans say it this way. Last, master, class, fast, path. Come up with words. So that A sound is there. It's not A, it's A sound. And similarly, there is no O sound in American accent. For example, if you want to say no, it's no. Normally you would say no, no, O sound. But in American accent, you will say no, no, ow sound. Notice, notice. See the difference? Notice, notice. Cow, cow. I know it, I know it. So now you know the differences in the sounds and how to pronounce it. See, I'm not perfect in teaching this, but you kind of got the idea, right? Whenever you keep on listening to these native speakers, you'll automatically learn it. Like, see, when I was learning, I was not going through these technicalities and stuff. I was just listening to speakers and I was just trying to imitate them. I happened to go through some courses and I saw there how it's being taught, and that's what I'm explaining to you. So one last thing, let's try out reading some words out loud and try to practice it, okay? So you can just take a book or some article and just try to read out each of the words out loud, trying to bring in all these sound differences. And in the beginning you have to stress on each of the sounds, but later on when you get used to it, you'll try to speak it in a flow, and that's how you learn it. So let's go try reading out these words. Car, car, better, better, water, water, cat, cat, hot, hot, think, think, this, this, little, little, go. It's not go, it's go. Around, around, literally, literally, etc., etc. So that's it, and if you have learned at least something from this video, please do like it and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep yourself updated with the new videos that I upload. And do share what you do learn from this video in the comment section, and I'll be really happy to see what you learned from this video. And if you have anything that's troubling you, if you're struggling with any sounds, do comment it so that I can research on it and help you with it in the next video.